Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok not launching. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok not launching, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of TikTok and you will click. When you'll find this page you will enter to the window of force stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to the window of storage and you click here. Then you click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make error on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.